Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to realize all basic gates, that is and or not, three basic gates in one ladder diagram using Automation Studio application. First, go to HMI and control panel. Take the required number of toggle switch, that is here in this ladder diagram we require 5 toggle switch has AND gate have 2 inputs, OR gate having 2 inputs, NOT gate 1 input. So we require total number of toggle switch 5. First one name it has A and another one as B and another one as first A and B, take it as AND A or AND B, and another two as OR A or B, and another one as NOT A. Now we are going to name this as OR A so that no confusions will be there, and name it as OR B. And another toggle switch, name it as NOT A. Okay. I will increase the font size so that it will be visible. Okay. Now next, take 3 pilot switch for output indication whether the ladder diagram is working in the correct condition or not. To identify it, we are using 3 pilot lights, one for AND gate, one for OR gate, and one for NOT gate. Okay. Now going to electrical control JIC standard. Double click on electrical control JIC standard and go to PLC card, drag and drop one input card and one output card. Okay. Next, go to contacts, take 5 contacts as toggle switch 1, 2, and leave one power source to avoid confusion, and take from IN3 1, 2, and leave one power source and connect IN6. Okay. You can see I took 5 contact switch as 2 for AND gate, 2 for OR gate, and 1 for NOT gate. And next, for output card you have to take 3 output coils, one for AND gate, one for OR gate, and another one for NOT gate. Now take the power source 124 volts and 10 volts. Note that the 0 volts should be connected to COM port and all the connections to 24 volts. Make sure that all the connections are given correctly without any misplacement. Now go to output components, take coil, one coil to out 0 and name it as and take the another coil and name it as or. There is no rules that to leave the power cords. I am leaving the power cords just because to avoid the confusions. And another coil for NOT gate. And go to power source 124 volts and another 0 volts. Connect 24 volts to all the output coils and the ground must be connected to the COM port only. Okay. Now start linking, that is internal links, by double clicking first to link it to A, B. Variable assignment A, right click, create a link. Close the tab, double click on the second and link it to A, B. Create a link, close the tab. And next double click or A, create a link, close the tab. And IN4 or B, create a link, close the tab. And IN6 to NOT A, create a link, close the tab. Okay. Now here link the pilot light to AND or NOT. Double click on the pilot light, internal links, first select AND. Right click, create a link, close the tab. And second pilot light, double click, internal link, link it to OR. Close the tab. And double click on the third pilot light and NOT. Right click, create a link and close the tab. You must observe one thing carefully, that after linking you should see that all the fonts, that is A, B or A or B etc., all turned into blue color with underlines. That means they are internally linked to each other. Next, go to ladder for ABPLC, double click on ladder for ABPLC, go to rung, drag and drop the rung and extend the rung to the next size and go to contact. First we have to take AND gate. Drag and drop. Examine if closed contact. Take two contacts in serial and one coil, that is output energized OTE, in serial, and make the connections to avoid confusion. Okay, next again go to contact. Next select OR gate, that is select to examine if closed contact and place it in parallel, one and another in parallel, and go to coils, output energize OTE, and make the connections. Next, for NOT gate, again go to contact, examine if open, drag and drop, and coils output energize OTE, and make the connections. Make sure that all the connections are made correctly as per the ladder diagram, and no contacts are left open without connecting. After preparing the ladder diagram, now internally link these contacts and coils carefully without exchanging, that is AND gate to OR gate or OR gate to AND gate. First, this line is AND gate. First, double click on the contact, variable assignment, and select A. Right click, create a link. Close the tab and double click on the second contact. Right click on a B, create a link, close the tab, and now double click on the output coil and select it for out 0, that is AND output component is connected to out 0, hence we will connect, that is internally link out 0, create a link, close the tab. Now the second line is completely OR gate, that is double click on the first contact and select OR A, right click, create a link. One more thing to be concentrated, that after linking, verify in the association tab that the right click create a link is the link is created correctly, or a double click on the second contact, right click on RB, create a link, close the tab, and double click on the output coil and give it to out 2, as OR gate is connected, OR gate output component is connected to out 2, hence right click on out 2, create a link, close the tab, and double click on the NOT gate contact and link it to NOT A, create a link, close the tab, and double click on the output coil of the NOT gate and see that the NOT gate output component is connected to out 4, hence link out4. Create a link, close the tab. Once verify the internal links given in the ladder diagram, A and B are the contacts of AND gate switches, and out0, that is out0 is the output component of AND gate that is internally linked. RA and RB are the contacts of OR gate toggle switches, and OC.out2 is the output component of OR gate. NOT A is the toggle switch of NOT gate is connected, and OC.out4 is the output component connected to the NOT gate. And all the connections and internal links are made correctly. And now save the project and run the simulation. To verify the ladder diagram which we have done, you have to know AND or NOT, that is 3 basic gates truth table to verify the ladder diagram. First, let's check AND gate truth table. 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 and 1. Okay, once again 0 0, the output is 0, 0 1, output is 0, 1 0, output is 0, 1 1, and the output is 1. Hence AND gate truth table is verified, and the ladder diagram for AND gate which we have done is correct. And next, second, OR gate. 0 0, output is 0, 0 1, output is 1, 1 0, output is 1, 1 1, the output is 1. Once again, 0 0, output is 0, 0 1, output is 1, 1 0, output is 1, 1 1, the output is 1. Hence OR gate which we have done is correct and it is verified. NOT gate, you can observe that 0, when the input is 0, the output is high, that is 1, and the input is high and the output is low. Hence the NOT gate is also verified. Hence all the 3 basic gates, that is AND, OR, NOT, 3 gates are realized using only one ladder diagram using Automation Studio application. Thank you.